So 6 minus 4 is 2 and 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Now if you got your answer 4, then it is totally wrong. 4 answer is totally wrong because we have to solve it using PEMDAS. PEMDAS is always gives us the correct answer. So what is PEMDAS? PEMDAS is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division and addition and subtraction. Okay, it is the order in which we have to solve the operations. Order to solve the operations in an equation. So let's solve this question with PEMDAS. So what we'll do, we'll write the given equation again. 6 minus 4 into 6 minus 4. Now we have to solve the parenthesis first. So we'll solve this. Write 6 minus 4. Now braces means, parenthesis means multiplication. So we'll write the inner answer is 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Then 6 minus, then we'll do multiplication. Minus 4 into 2 is 8 and 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So minus 2 is our correct answer.